In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off professional mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, if you see that professional dashboard here, it definitely means that your account is a business account now. And now let me show you how we can easily turn it to personal. To do that, tap at these three lines, then settings and privacy, and then creator tool and tools and controls. Then switch account type, and then hit add, switch to personal account. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched back to personal. We can go to our profile, and as you can see, there are no longer that professional dashboard on our profile. That's how you can easily remove business account from Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.